Oh, okay, so let's play around with this idea some more. That we have some widgets. We can create new widgets. Oops, maybe not. What happened with create? Wasn't that working before? What's the error that I'm getting? Inspect, yada yada, create widget for, let's see, network. So again, let's clear that. Create. Ooh, I got a 400. It's not found. That post. Wait a minute, wasn't that working before? The post, I'm sending the data. There it is. There's my post on the server. There's my post. There's my post. Widgets. Integer ID. And the client, what did it pass? Oh, you know what? This ID, maybe it's too big to fit inside of an integer. Let me change this integer into a long. Let's refactor this. Rename type migration. So from integer, I want to go to a long. How's that? Let's try that. Refactor. Ignore. Okay, those are all longs. Okay, and the controller. Okay, these 1, 2, 3s are no longer integers, so I'm going to convert them into longs. Long, 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 long. I guess find by ID also should be a long. Okay, it is. The update widget should also be a long. These all should be longs. All right, let's try it again. Let's restart the server. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, we have that. And can we create? Okay, we can create again. Was it because deletes works? Delete and create. All right, probably that was it. It wasn't able to parse perhaps the long into an integer. All right, so let's how about being able to edit one of these? Yes, let's edit a widget in particular. Yes. Yeah. So what we probably want to do is that these queries, right, where we have in the container or the service, sorry, in the service, these be a one place where you can configure this to be a particular URL, right? Some base URL that's some kind of global, some static global that you can change it when you deploy it in one or the other, right? Or it could be also an environment variable that gets loaded, and locally it's equal to localhost, but remotely it's equal to Heroku something wherever. Yeah. Okay. So all right, excellent. So let's take a look at the component. Right, we would like to be able to edit this. In particular, we would like to be able to change. Yes. So when the TA is downloaded, they will always go to localhost, right? So it would always be localhost 8080. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Just want to deploy these changes to the Java Heroku and just use the URL there. The API that we be hosted on the Java server.
Yeah, that's what we're saying, right? That in your there's two Herokus, right? You would host the React in the React Heroku, and there you would have an environment variable that you would then whose value would be the Heroku server that you're hitting, whereas locally your environment variable would be localhost 8080.
Okay.
Right. So when you deploy it, you would use the environment variable, and it would automatically point to the right place. Yeah. Right. So let's play around with being able to update. Right. In particular. Changing the type of the widget, right? And the type of the widget will drive what widget do I want to render? Okay, so let's do that. Actually, let me